Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add more friends to your Snapchat shortcuts. So if you already have shortcut, and you want to add more friends to your shortcut, to send them snaps, just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First, open a Snapchat app on your mobile. Then I'm going to take a black snap for purpose for this video. Next, I'm going on send button in the bottom right corner. Now, we are come on menu with all your Snapchat friends. So we will not select any friends now, but we need to click on this plus button in top of screen. And when you click on that, Snapchat show you all your shortcuts, then you need to go on any shortcut you want to add more people. Now you will see all your friends on Snapchat, and when you want to add people, just simple tap on them icon to select them. You can select multiple friends. And when you're done, press save button to confirm your changes. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.